Hello kids, in the last video we learned about nutrients, carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, minerals. Yes or no? So in this video we are going to learn water, balanced diet and digestion of food, healthy food habit. Okay? See here, water. Water constitutes about 60% of our body, is vital for all the body functions related to its development and growth. It also helps in flushing out liquid waste in the form of urine and sweat. This is why we must drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water every day. Water constitutes about 60% of our body. 60% of our body include water, consists of water and is vital for all the body functioning related to its development and growth. It is help to flush out liquid wastes. Water help us in flushing out liquid waste in the form of urine and sweat. So we should drink at least we must drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water every day. If we will not drink more water, then what happen, kids? All waste remain in our body. It will not come out. It will not go out. All waste, dirty will remain in our body. When we drink more water, that water flush out the waste from our body in the form of urine and sweat. Water constitutes about 60% of our body and is vital for all the body functioning related to its growth and development. Okay, now see roughage. Roughage is the fiber-rich, indigestible part of food, digestible part of food, which help in the excretion of waste matter from the body. Salad foods such as cucumber, broccoli, lettuce, capsicum and leek are the sources of roughage. Roughage is the fiber-rich, indigestible part of food. Roughage means fiber-rich and indigestible part of food. Whatever we eat, some part is there in that one food. That is a indigestible, that and fiber-rich. That is rich in fiber-rich and indigestible waste is there. That one is called the roughage, which help in excretion of waste matter from the body. Salad food such as cucumber, broccoli, lettuce, capsicum and leek are sources of the roughage. This one, when we eat this one vegetables, they help us to remove a waste from our body. This one raw salads, when we should eat the raw food, because they help us to remove out. They help us to flush out, means remove out waste. Whatever undigestible part of food is there in our body, they help us to remove out. That whatever removed, that is called the roughage. Next, see your balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients required for our body in the right amount is called the balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet that contains all nutrients required our body in a right amount. Our body need a right amount of all nutrients. Not only one fixed food, one nutrients. Our body need all nutrients in right amount. No one more, no one less. Which amount we need? That one right amount our body need that one nutrients is called the diet food. Whether one is a vegetarian and non-vegetarian, one must always eat a balanced and healthy diet. Diet is the that contain all nutrient required our body in a right amount. Our body need this type of food that contain a right amount of nutrients. Understood, no? Whether one is vegetarian or non-vegetarian, one must always eat a balanced and healthy diet. Okay, next we see the digestion of food. Digestion of food. The food we eat cannot be used directly by our body. The food, whatever we eat, cannot be used directly by our body. First, it should digest. Then it is converted into energy. Afterward, we use this energy to our body. That one energy is then used by our body. What is digestion? We are going to see. Digestion is a process in which food we get in broken down into smaller and simpler forms, which can then be easily absorbed into blood and used by the body. Digestion is the process. It is the process in which food we eat is broken down into smaller and simpler forms, which can be then easily absorbed in the blood and used by the body. Our body do not use directly food. The process happened when we eat the food. Some process will goes on. That process is called the digestion. Understood, no kids? The passage along which food passes from the mouth to the anus during digestion is called the alimentary canal. The passage along which food passes from mouth to the anus, that is called the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is the passage along which the food passes from mouth to anus during the digestion is called the passage. It includes the mouth. Alimentary canal includes mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Alimentary canal includes mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. The process of digestion begins in mouth. The process of digestion starts from mouth. It begins in the mouth, where the food is broken down into smaller pieces by chewing. First of all, we put the food where? Where we put the food? First we put the food in our mouth, no? Yes or no, kids? When we take a food in our hand, where we put? We directly put in our mouth, no? We put a food in our mouth, no? Yes or no? Where the food is broken down into smaller pieces. In our mouth, the food become a smaller piece by chewing. When we eat the food, we chew that one, no? We make it small pieces. Here the saliva softens the food and also help in breakdown of carbohydrates. In this chewing, the saliva mix with that one food. The saliva soften the food and help in break down the carbohydrates. The food then passes through the food pipe and enters the stomach. Look here in this picture, kids. Whatever we eat now, we'll make small pieces here, and the saliva mix with that one food, small pieces, break down the carbohydrate. Then the food pass through the food pipe and enters the stomach. The food pass through the food pipe and enters the stomach. Here in the stomach, What happened, kids? Stomach. The stomach is a bag-like organ where the solid food is mixed with the digestive juice secreted by it. In this one stomach, the food mixed with the juice secreted by it. The mixture is then churned and broken down into smaller pieces. In this one stomach, the mixture is then churned and broken down into smaller parts. This food then enter into the small intestine, whereas the digestion process is completed with the help of the digestive juice. After this one stomach, now what happened, kids? The food passed to the small intestine. After the stomach, the food passed into the small intestine. In that place, the digestive juice from the pancreas and the liver, where the digestion process is completed with the help of the digestive juices from the pancreas and the livers. Here the useful substance get absorbed in the blood, while the waste material and the undigested food sent into the large intestine. Look here in this case, the food then passes through the pipe. When we eat the food, chew here, and it mixes with saliva. The saliva softens the food. The saliva softens the food and also help in the breakdown in the carbohydrates. The food then pass through the food pipe and enters the stomach. The stomach is a bag. Like an organ, swallow the food in with mixed digestive juices secreted by it. The mixture is then churned and broken down into smaller parts. This food then enters into the small intestine. The food enters into the small intestine. And small intestine, where the digestion process is completed with the help of the digestive juice from the pancreas and the livers. Here mixed with the juice from the pancreas and liver. Here the useful substance get absorbed into the blood. In the small intestine, useful substance absorbed into the blood, while the waste one is material undigested food is sent to the big intestine. Look here in this one big intestine, it is goes. Undigested food sent to the large intestine. Goes to the large intestine. Water from the undigested food is absorbed in the large intestine, which then throws out the solid waste. Solid waste faces through the anus. In this large intestine, this is the food pipe, stomach, and it is attached to the small intestine, and it is the large intestine. In this large intestine, the water absorbed, and whatever remaining solid waste is there, it is throw out. Solid waste throw out through the anus. Understood, no kids? It is the digestion of food. Okay, this is the digestion. Look in this picture, okay? Healthy eating habits. Chewing our food properly. First of all, healthy habits are there. Chew your food properly. Eat, okay? Look, this one, all the good habits are there. Eating 4 to 5 small meals. Eating fresh vegetables and fruits daily. Drinking plenty of water. Avoiding junk food like a burger, pizza, fried foods. Eating a balanced diet for necessary nutrients. Washing hands before and after meals. These are the healthy eating habits are there. Before eating any food, wash hands and after meal. Whatever you eat, you chew the food properly and eat 4 to 5 meals every day. Okay? No, eat 4 to 5 meals, okay? 4 to 5 meals means not a full of stomach. Is the next, eating fresh vegetables daily. You should eat fresh vegetables and fruits daily. Next, drinking plenty of water, okay? After that, you avoid the eat junk food like a burger, pizza, fried food, etc. You like to eat this type of kurkure, this one, that one, Maggie. You avoid that one. Instead of that one eating, you eat vegetables, fruits, healthy food. Next, what is the eating a balanced diet for necessary nutrients? Eating a balanced diet for necessary nutrients. After eat, you should wash your hand. These all are the, what are these kids? These are the good habits, healthy habits. Understood, no? Okay, next on the page. In the next video, we are going to learn about cooking food. Which type of food we'll eat and how the food will cook, how the food will preserve, okay? And again once time we revise the lesson in the next video. Until you read the lesson properly, you read the whole lesson properly, underline the new words or remove the new words, those are difficult for you, write down in your copy it in your notebook. Understood, no kids? Thank you for watching the video.